What's up, guys? It's Bianca from BiancaRoberts.com, back again with another video. And the subject of today's video is I'm coming out. So if you want to know what that means, stay tuned. Hello, if you've never been to my channel, my name is Bianca and I am a Texas apartment locator, a real estate marketing coach and mentor. So welcome, I'm glad that you decided to stop by. The subject of this video is I'm coming out. So what do I mean by that? Well, since the last time I posted a video here, I have been recognized by one of the best online marketing communities out there. And I was shocked. So I was sitting down, getting ready to celebrate my daughter graduating from high school. And I received the email. I freaked out so much that by the time my daughter was done graduating, I still had the biggest smile on my face, obviously from her graduating. But I also was freaking out because I had been selected as member of the month. And she looked at me and she said, "Mom, did you forget that I graduated from high school?" Like, this is a big deal. So I have shared MLSP on this channel several times, and I'm super happy to announce they chose me as their member of the month for May. It didn't show up on their website until the end of June, but I wanted to share this all with you because I just wanted to remember this in a year, 2, 3, whatever, however long it takes. The member of the month for MLSP really is a big deal, believe it or not. Typically, the people that you have found that are past members of the month for this particular marketing community have gone on to create 6- and 7-figure businesses of their own. So if you all just allow me to pat myself on the back, I have become member of the month for MLSP. Secondly, literally, I would say at the time of this recording, it's been 2 days. I also reached a new level of leadership in the MLSP community. And all of that means basically is when you move up their ranks of online leadership or an online marketer, they will recognize you. So recently I became a what they call a leader or L2 leader in the community, and I'm super happy. I'm going to post this on my blog. I'm going to post this everywhere because, again, I'm trying not to just skip over my wins and the things that I'm doing, because I can be really, I won't say hard on myself, but I just ignore my accomplishments. I act like, oh, no big deal. I just sold $4.7 million in real estate, and I move on to the next thing. So I'm trying to appreciate the moment and celebrate my wins, not only to pat myself on the back, but just to remind myself when I look back on some of the things that I accomplished, because I am the worst at patting myself on the back. Now, when I say I'm coming out, I'm just basically meaning, for the longest, I was afraid to tell people that my true passion is online or internet marketing. And when you make a decision like putting yourself out there, telling people, hey, I can help you with your online marketing, there's some things that people come to expect, such as results. So for the longest, I kept thinking, I've got great results for myself, but how can I help other people get those results? And since the last time I recorded a video, I made another viral TikTok. It has over 200,000 views on it. That video had been swimming around in my head, and I knew that I was going to make a bit of a wave when I posted the video on TikTok. And it was basically just talking about how high property taxes are here in Texas, which again, the way my mind works, I'm always thinking about what is going to be something that will get a lot of people to see my content. I'm not online just playing around, let me just act a fool right quick. I have a strategy for everything that I do. So I am tired of hiding. I'm tired of being scared. I'm coming out to tell you I am officially a marketing coach. I did not need to get member of the month from my marketing community just to solidify that in my mind. But I have to say, looking at some of the people from the past that have been recognized by this community, I think I'm in really good company. I'm talking about people who have gone on to create 6 and 7 figure businesses of their own. In order for me to be able to really say I'm coming out and do that in a confident way, I started thinking about what I offer. I offer a course called Locator Boss. If you want more information about my course Locator Boss, click the link below. It is in the description of this video. Not only has one of my students gone on to create her own mini version of a locator course, she's made over $200 from promoting that course online. If I was still sitting in the shadows, if I was still afraid to say that I'm an official marketing coach, if I was sitting around still scared, not really kind of sure, should I tell people that this is what my passion is? Should I tell people that this is what I really love? She would have never met me. I never would have been able to show her what I do. And it's all just kind of tumbling into this thing that I'm really proud of. And it's hard for me to express to people how much I love helping them get a result. The company that I have my real estate license with also asked me to be a mentor. And all of this stuff has basically happened within the last 60 days. And it's so exciting to me because, hey, this is something that I'm really passionate about, but I didn't really want to tell a whole bunch of people at first that, hey, I can help you with your internet marketing, because a lot of times we go through what we call imposter syndrome. You think, well, who am I to be able to help these people? Who am I to be able to show them? But consistently over the years, I've had a lot of experiments online, and they tend to blow up. And then I kind of disappear and I go back into hiding, and I'm like, oh, I don't know if I want to do this anymore. But with real estate, it's something that I've been a member of or a part of for basically almost 18 years now. And I'm super passionate about helping other real estate agents get money quicker. Because here's the thing, when you get your real estate license, you spend a lot of money on a lot of things, namely classes. You spend money on marketing materials that you probably don't even need. Then you have to sign up with the broker. You have to pay that particular broker whatever fee, startup fee that they charge. There is a lot of money that goes into this business before you ever make a dime. And so when I look at people complaining online, the main thing I always see new agents say is, I just spent $2,000 getting started in this business and I haven't made a single penny. That right there frustrates the heck out of me. When I tell people I'm generating between 100 to 115 leads a month, I'm not saying that because I want to brag and say, ooh, I'm just this lead generating machine. But I know how internet marketing works. And the short and sweet answer is, you generate content online to attract your ideal audience. Many people in real estate think everyone is your audience. They get online and they say, well, if you know anybody who wants to buy, sell, rent, lease, they list out all of these different things, thinking I have to say that I help all of these people. You cannot help everyone's real estate needs. So when you really think about what I've done and what niche I've carved out for myself online, specifically people look at me as an apartment locator. That's how I branded myself. You could be someone who focuses only on commercial real estate. You could be someone who absolutely hates listings and you do not want to list properties for sale at all. I want folks to understand that online marketing, there's a sea of people out there. And the way that you stand out, the way that you look different, is not by saying you do everything and you serve everyone. Because if you think you serve everyone, you are incorrect. You have to pick your niche. You have to get clear on that. And then you will start seeing the leads roll in. I hope this was helpful for you. This was my announcement. Basically, I just wanted to let everyone know I'm coming out. I am officially labeling myself as an internet marketing coach, and I can help you with your marketing needs. All right, see you next time.